More or less yung biscuit. Ah, kati kayo, kati kayo, kati kayo ni. Biscuit, yeah, biscuit. Nepali Kitchen Vlog. How much you eat? How much you eat? My budget is 250 to 300 pesos in every meal. How much in India? 1 peso, Philippine peso is I think 75 cents in India. So if I have 10,000 pesos, so that means 7,500 in India. Is that right? So beautiful, so beautiful. Malasabisi on here, bro. Thank you, thank you. Okay lang bro. Spora, okay lang ma'am, sister. Oh my God. What you mean? You said, you asked me how much. So when we talk of how much the price? Na reply. Si Pura there mo as for me na reply. Nice, nice, nice. Tamsak dan boss. Risha Maiting. Thank you, sister. Ba't ka mo biscuit pit kopse sula. Nepali Kitchen is always laughing on my Nepalese tune. Mitini miya moya. Mitini moya moya. Mitini moya moya. Mitini miya moya. Malasya. Malasyama, thank you, sister. Malasyama. Yeah, at least not the price. You ask me what's I'm eating. Chicken. Mitinihi po ko ang give sabit ko. Mom laughing. Yeah. My lunch is 2 pieces chicken, 2 cup of rice. That's all. Chicken eating, I'm eating mura. Chicken eating, I'm eating mura. What's mura? Mura. Oh, sa mura. I get don't eat too much. You have plenty of food when you make an mukbang. It's not good. Mom also eating mura. And Rishama also eating so much. Yeah, in his video, wow, Rishama eating plenty of food. Ami murang. It's a sports car, so loud. Ami murang kanya yung chicken nuts. You love beef and Nepali Kitchen eat buffalo. Buffalo, kamo buffalo. Buffalo is Carabao. Thanks, Mitini. Ha. Ayan. Beef, hulit, murix. Beef, hulit, murit. Ayan. Nepal Kitchen always laughing. Ha. Ang sabi ng Eri.